If you know that your name starts with M, send me money now. If you know that you are my follower, send me money now. If you know say you be my follower, abeg, I take God beg you, go join me for YouTube. I no hold any juju, I no get juju. Na powder, see am, na powder be this. Abeg, go join me for YouTube. If you click on my page, you go see my link. Abeg, click for that link, help me subscribe. I take God beg you, abeg. They don dey come, make they no see me. This thing na powder. This my hair, I just do am like this. I just rough am like this. I no get juju. This one wey I comot my head na editing o. I take God beg you, abeg. All my followers, make una go subscribe, okay? Thank you. God bless you. So let me show you how you can achieve this kind of editing. The one you are seeing on my screen right now, this type exactly like this, just with your phone and your CapCut. So without wasting much of your time, let's get into CapCut. So guys, this is the video that I want to use, okay? You have seen the behind the scene of the video. You can just use it and recreate anything you want. All right, so I'm going to split the video. I'm going to split it right from when I want to remove my head from my head, like my first head from my other head, okay? So you can see me looking for where I lifted my hand up to remove my head. I'm going to split it from that place because I need a duplicate of that video. So I will go to where I want to place the head back and also split it. So let me this is where I want to place my head back. I will split it again, then duplicate it. I need that video, I need another one. I'll duplicate it, then overlay that duplicate. I'll bring it down. Let me look for overlay. I believe by now I shouldn't be using stickers to point somewhere, okay? So this is overlay. I've overlaid it. I will now bring it down. I will make sure that it is from where I split it. It starts from there, and then go to the other end and make sure that it stops from when I want to put my head back. Okay, so this is it. I will highlight the video. Let me highlight it. Then I will go and look for remove BG. That's remove background. I'll look for it. All right, you might want to use okay, this one you have to use custom remover, because if you use auto remover, it's going to remove all the background. So you use a custom remover and then resize the brush to any size of your choice, preferable smaller size, okay? Then you carefully remove your head, only your head. The part that you want to use is the one that you remove. You wait for it to apply, then you have something like this. All right, then it's time to activate this key, okay? You go back so that I can get this key. So you highlight your overlay, then click on that key. You move your video small, maybe like 1 second or 2 seconds. Then you move the other video with your hand. As your hand is moving, you are moving your video towards your hand, okay? Can you see it? That's how you continue doing it until you get to where your hand stopped. Then you stop. As you're moving your video, that key, automatically the key will be adding, okay? So this is where my hand stopped. I'm going to stop now. I'll then go and look for where I put my head back. I'll go and look for where I put my head back. So this is where I added the doorbell. It's just from audio, you will see the doorbell if you want to do something like this. I added the doorbell, and now I did like someone was coming. So I quickly tried to put my head back. So immediately I start putting my head back, I also activate the key, move my video, then move my head, okay? You continue like that until your head matches with your main head, okay? So the sticker on my face, all those effects on my face, if you want to add it, you can go to effect. I'll just highlight the head, look for effect, then go to body effect, okay? So I will look for dark. Under body effect, you go to dark. So this is where I added the effect on my face. This particular effect, this one is the one that I used. If you want to use it on all your videos, you can still highlight the rest of the videos and do that, or you can choose a different effect. I also added echo to my voice. Okay, if you want to change your voice or just to touch your voice a little, you can go to audio effect and add any type of any kind of sound to your voice. Once you are done, you save your video.